Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create coming soon page on your Shopify. So let's get started. So here we are on our Shopify and we're currently logged in. So from here, to create our coming soon page, we need an app to do it. So we need an app that can create pages for us. So we're going to go here in the search bar and we're going to go for Pagefly. This is the app that I recommend, but you can also feel free to explore in the Shopify App Store by clicking here. And from here, you would be able to see a bunch of apps available for you that will let you create your coming soon page. In my case, I will be suggesting you Pagefly. So it's right here. So you want to click on Pagefly right here. And then from here, you want to click on install. So let's install Pagefly here. And now let's click on the install button again. So we're going to click here on install. And now we will be redirected to the page builder of Pagefly. So let's go here into the dashboard, and here it is. So there will be an intro right here and so on. And yeah, we'll be creating our first page right here. So click on start creating pages and click on create from template. So we just want to create the template, and we can go for password right here. So from here, you would be able to see a lot of templates right here that is available for you here in Pagefly. As you can see, under construction, we are coming soon right here. This is under the password category of a Pagefly. So in this case, we'll just be choosing this one right here since it says we are coming soon, and this is exactly what we want to create. So we're going to select that. And from here, you can edit how it would look like. So for example, this one right here, you can go for we are coming soon, or just coming soon right here. And then you can also let them provide their email right here so that they would be notified once your store gets on live. So you can go for provide your email below to get notified when our store gets live, maybe something like that. And then you can customize this and so on, even the background, but we're not going to dig deep into that because I'm just showing you on how you can do this here in Shopify. You might use other apps. And once you're done editing this, then you can click on save, and then you can go for the page title right here. So let's go for coming soon page and click on save. And now here it is, and you want to take note that after saving, you have to publish the page to make it go live, and the preview might be different from your live page due to the theme styling. And click on save, and here it is now being saved right here. So let's just wait for it to get saved, and there it is now saved. Now we're going to click on publish, and from here we're going to go click on publish with the title right there. And now, as you can see, we are giving one free slot right here since we are only using our free plan right here. So we only have one slot. And now it's publishing, as you can see right here. So if you want to make more pages here in Pagefly, you would have to avail their premium plans. And now, as you can see, it has now been published. So now you can click here on preview so that you'd be able to view what you have made right here, or you could just click here on the view live page so that you'd be able to see it live. So here it is. Here is what we have created. And yeah, that is basically how you can create a coming soon page. But yeah, this is just a basic one, and in your case you should design it a little bit more, but this is basically how you can do it right here. And remember, you can use not just Pagefly, but you can also use other apps from the Shopify App Store. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.